And the materials we're going to use is some orange floss, some olive dubbing, and a brown mottled hen feather. So this pattern calls for an orange goose biot, but I don't have any orange goose biot, so I got to improvise a little bit. So what I'm going to use is a piece of orange floss. The biot would create ribbing, so I'm going to use a piece of gold tinsel to create that ribbing. Take our orange floss, I'm going to bring it forward. This is a soft hackle pattern, and tie off our orange floss. Is orange important? I don't know. It certainly is an important or an easy color to create contrast, though. See, and then I'll put the gold wire or copper wire on here to create some ribbing there to give it a segmented look. So now we're going to put a little olive dubbing on here, create an abdomen. And this really creates a nice color contrast. And then our final step, this is the hackle. Tie it right on top. And this is what's going to make the fly. Hold the fibers back as we wrap it on here. And you can see those fibers are really wet. A whip finisher. Okay, one of many soft hackle patterns, but that's the Furimsky's nymph. Hackles will come alive.